Bro, I've literally been waiting my whole life to film this video. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Welcome to my kitchen. This is literally not real, but it is real, and this is my life, and I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be unpacking everything, organizing my kitchen, also probably going to the store to buy more stuff, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go actual grocery shopping and we'll do a fridge organization. Depending on how long this video is, I'll either be in this video or in another one. But oh my god, I just broke my nail off. I'm so excited. If you guys want to see more in depth of where all this stuff is from, it's in my first moving vlog. It's in my first video of this series where I'm kind of unpacking and showing you guys everything that I got. We're not going to go super in depth into where everything is from in this video, but of course we're going to be organizing, taking everything out of all the packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm literally like a little nerd, freak for this stuff. It's, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's just go.
What the dog doing?
A quick haul of everything else that I got that I have not opened. A lot of dishes. Okay, so in this bag is all my seasonings, and the only new ones that I already showed in my other video were just the salt and these birria taco seasoning. Next we have this package. I didn't actually buy this one. My brother bought these for himself, and then he never used them after a few years, so I started using them and then I took them. So thank you, brother, for these. But they are compostable food prep containers, and I love these things. We have my cups or my glasses. These are from Walmart, literally, but I'm obsessed with them. My mom used one earlier while she was here, but we just have 4 of these taller glasses. She's one of the tall ones. And then 4 of the shorter ones. I love glasses that are the same width all the way around. So these glasses were perfect. Next, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. So it's 15 different glass dishes, and then they all have lids. I'm so excited. These are all of my dishes that I spent so long shopping for. So I hope you guys like them. If you don't, please don't comment it. It's gonna hurt my heart, literally. So I got 6 of these plates, or they're actually teacup saucers, but I'm gonna use them as plates. Of course, they came with 2 of the cutest little blue and white teacups. So they have blue stripes, and the handles have little blue polka dots on them. I'm actually so oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. Coffee mug. So I got this cute little light blue one. I got a pink one. So cute. I really don't remember what's in each of these bags because it's been so long since I got this stuff. Okay, so 2 cute little pink rice bowls with gray flowers in them, and then a little blue rim. So cool. A lot of glass, if you guys are noticing. A lot of glass and not a lot of plastic. That is the point. Containers, I'm gonna use 1 for oil and 1 for soy sauce. I need to buy soy sauce. Oh my gosh, I forgot I bought these. I got these for my mom at home because she loves polka dots, but I was kind of jealous. So I went back and I guess I bought myself some. Because I was like, should I just take them because I just bought them for her? I just bought them. But I was like, no, she loves these bowls. So I got myself some. How lovely. My last 2 dishes, I thought I had more plates. But I guess not. I might have to go buy a plate or 2. But the last thing I got are just these big white bowls I'm going to use for pho. More organizing. Go. okay, I went to Walmart again and I thought I took a picture of my grocery list. Guess what? I didn't. I didn't take a picture of my grocery list. I got there. I was like, yes, I'm so excited to go grocery shopping. Didn't have my grocery list. Had to completely guess. Also, I went off Target a little bit. Hey guys. So I don't know what video this is gonna go in, but I'm currently running, you guys are under the sink right now. My dishwasher is right here. I'm currently running my first load of dishes, and you guys are probably like, why are you running dishes? You probably haven't cooked anything. You're right, I haven't, but I have to fill out like an inventory and conditioning checklist. And so basically I have to test everything and make sure that everything works. Otherwise, if something is broken and I find out about it after, I'm going to be held responsible for it. Okay. It's like a piece of paper I have to fill out, and it's due on it's due 48 hours after I move in. So it's already been 24 hours. 48 hours is tomorrow at like 3 p.m. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of our rinse aid because there's not really that many dishes in there, but I need to run it. There is stuff in there though, so it's not empty. Oh my god. If it explodes, it's not gonna explode, so let me not even say that.
But you ain't ever gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.